Hello friends, welcome to Wednesday session of class 5th. Last we discussed about sieving, how to sieve, and we also got idea how to remove big particles from the whole amount of soil, lump of soil or wheat flour or any other flour. Sieved, if we sieve it, you can see the activity given here. One lady is sieving continuously. This practical work is my homework to do that at home you do it and observe yourself what is there in the sieving. In one lump of soil, fine particles are coming down and you can write down our observation down here or I will give you. Then in activity 2, collect the sieved part and sieve it with the used one floor. What is left? Big particles are left on the top into the sieve. In our Gujarati language, we are saying charni or orni. What we are saying, which mother is doing likewise, slowly moving. What is left in the sieve, what is sieved out of sieve, that is also activity. This is one fine clothes. Last session we have discussed it. What is left component, we have to separate it and write down our observation. Then in think and say, we need to discuss which components are different in size. So friends, here you can find out a very small fine powder and big components. That way you can find out. In activity 4, we need one transparent plastic bag, transparent glass, spade, lump of soil and thread. Afterwards, what you will do? Bring 3-4 lump of soil from the nearby farm from 1 feet depth by digging with spade. Then keep 1 or 2 lump of soil into the transparent plastic bag, tie its mouth with thread. Now keep the plastic bag in a sunlight for some time. After some time, the inner wall of soil, you will feel that some water vapor is present in it. So you will feel some fine small droplet of water sometime. The lump will break out entirely as a humidity is there inside. Then if you continue the activity, then in this activity we are taking one glass. Then in transparent glass we are putting one lump of soil. Then when we observed that the lump of soil is bubbling, slowly melting it, and it converts into the mix with the water. After mixing, we have to write our observation into it. After observing, we see that soil is slowly melting with the mixes with the water and lumps converts into a one liquid base solution. Which different things are obtained after digging the soil? We can obtain a lot of things if the soil is mixed with many semi particles, fine clay, waste material. Nowadays we are using more plastic. So plastic is also harmful for the soil. So with that things we are getting. So many organisms are developing in the soil. So there is a question series, which organisms we find. So whatever organisms we are finding into it, very soon we will discuss about it. Components of soil. What are the main basic important of the soil? Also important things while we are farming. So that is also I will share with you. Till then, my homework activity, you please do it at home, sowing and take a one lump of soil and continue it. Thank you.